In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Forza Horizon 5 with a Logitech G29. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up your Logitech G29 with Forza Horizon 5. You will be able to use it as the game features full steering wheel input support, and you will be able to do it by simply connecting your steering wheel to your PC. So, plug the USB cable from your Logitech G29 into one of the available USB ports on your PC or even a console, and afterwards plug the pedal cable if you have those as well. Now, before you actually launch the game, if you are on PC, I recommend that you download the latest version of the Logitech G Hub software. It is through this software where you will be able to download the latest drivers available for the steering wheel and also configure it. So you will be able to fine-tune all of the options like sensitivity, force feedback, and so on. And most importantly, like I mentioned, download the drivers. So inside of the Logitech G Hub software, make sure that everything is set up correctly. And once you are done using that software, once the Logitech G29 is up to date, you can go ahead and open Forza Horizon 5. Inside of the game, first go over to the settings and make sure that steering wheel is selected as the default input device. And once this is done, you are basically good to go. You can change some settings about the controls inside of the game itself, like the sensitivity, force feedback, and so on. And something that a lot of people recommend is to turn off vibration and the off-road bump setting. But you can just choose according to your preferences or look for recommended settings on Google, and as long as you configure everything inside of the game and inside of Logitech G Hub, you will be able to play Forza Horizon 5 with your Logitech G29 steering wheel. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Forza Horizon 5 with Logitech G29. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.